Welcome. If you want to surrender in your Pokemon Unite, all you have to do, simply tap on the right upper corner on the settings icon, and then when you are in the system settings, you have to go below right here and you will find the surrender button right here. So when you tap on it once, you will find the surrender vote in this place. And as you can see, 3 votes are positive and 2 were negative. So it means that we cannot surrender right now. We have to get 4 voices on the yes. So we have to get 4 positive voices, and after that we will successfully surrender. So in this case we cannot, because 2 of the 5 players just disagree with the surrender vote. And yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.